Hey everyone, what's up? I have another update. I'm really excited about this because I've been real busy working on my game. My coding skills are improving every day, and it's just a lot of fun to see all my hard work come to fruition, to see all the sprites that I've been working on come to life. So let's check this out. And I really hope you like it. Got some cool new features I'm really excited to share with you. So first off, as you saw in previous videos, the color of the skin and hair oftentimes changed almost randomly, but I got some, although the user interface, the game user interface is not ready for the custom colors of the body, as you can see the color changing ability is coming in. So when the game is finished, obviously, it'll have a menu and some sliding bars along an RGB color value schematic type of thing. But right now you can see just proof of concept, you'll be able to change colors. This is important because one of the features about this game that I'm really happy about is that it will be multiplayer, both local and online multiplayer. And if two people are the same color, it's too hard to distinguish between the two. So you'll have custom colors that you'll be able to use on your character. Right now it's just the skin that's changing colors, but the skin, the hair, and the headband will all be fully customizable in terms of their colors. And other gear will also be customizable in terms of its colors as well. So yeah, really cool, really happy about it. And so yeah, so there's that. Let's see, let's give it a, for this video I'll go with a, how about a, there we go. I'll just go with that one for now, a green color. So first, I added a new move. There was the magic attack move that I had in the previous video, which is when you hold the back pedal button. As you can see, I'm backpedaling, and you push the magic attack button. He does this magic attack. If you press the back pedal button and the regular attack button, this one, the regular attack button, and you hold back pedal and you press it, he just does it without the magic. It won't cost any mana, but you'll be able to engage enemies like that. You'll be able, if you do this attack, also you'll be able to pass through projectile attacks, similar to the hop attack. And so yeah, really cool, happy about that. Combat is pretty much working. It's not finished, there's some tweaking I gotta do, but it pretty much works, As you can see, the monsters take damage when they're hit, their screen shake, it's pretty cool. And the damage, I set it up so that there's a range, a minimum and a maximum value for the different attacks, and it's kind of randomly chosen in between that range. So let's see, if I do the overhand, it does 9 damage, then it does 10, and it's between 9 and 11, I think, for the overhand. Different attacks have different damage values. The underhand attack is probably the weakest one. It's more of attacking monsters up above you. Also, if you have an axe and you're swinging it up, you're going to have a lot less momentum, a lot less energy swinging that heavy weapon upwards than you would as if you were swinging it downwards. And that's the logic behind the overhand attack doing more damage than the upper hand attack like that. So that's cool. Jump attacks generally do more. And I wanted to make the jump attacks do more because while you're jumping, you can't block. If you're on the ground walking, you could block. You can block like that. But if you're jumping, you can't block. So there's a damage bonus for when you are jumping and attacking. And let's see here. Also, if you get hit by a fireball, the monsters catch on fire. Here, let me restart this real quick. The monsters catch on fire. And you can see there's 2 numbers that come up. The damage, the first number is the damage that is dealt when the fireball hits the monster, and the next one is caused by the fire, being caught on fire. And you can see it slowly deals damage. So also, I added let me do it up here. For the level 1 magic attack, it causes an explosion and a fire. So it does extra damage, and you can start fires. And here, let me do this. Actually, well, that's another thing. If a monster is on fire and it touches another monster, as you can see here, that monster also catches on fire. Really cool, really like it. Look at that. I love that so much. They all catch on fire. Was kind of complex to program. I'm really happy with the results, however. And yeah, if you shoot the fireball close to the monster, it hits them twice, so you could kind of do a combo, 1, 2, like that. It's pretty cool. Watch. 1, 2, do extra damage. You got to get in close to do that though, so you risk getting hit. But let's see, I'll set up this fire here, see if this monster will catch it in time. Oh no, it didn't. This one will. Let's see. Oops. Anyway, but yeah, you can see they catch each other on fire. Really cool. There is no AI. These little spike shell monsters, they just patrol back and forth. There's no AI really yet. But it's really cool. I really like it. I'm really enjoying all the fire that it affects the monsters and so on. Another cool thing I like is that if the monster is on fire and it is killed by the fire, it just explodes. Normally, if you kill a monster or if you kill it with a bladed weapon, it just kind of explodes into a splatter of blood. However, if it dies by fire, it blows up. I love it so much. Also, I just remember the hop attack does extra damage than the regular one. The hop attack does extra damage because it's hard to land. You got to really time it correctly. But if you do the hop attack magic version, it kind of does a magic spell, as you can see. Really cool. I really like it. Also, all these attacks will be leveled up. So let's say the level 1 for magic hop attack. For level 1, it might just have 1 fire right here. Level 2, 2 fires. Level 3, 3 fires, and so on. And this is kind of how the tech tree is going to work. You'll be able to choose what of your abilities you want to level up. Do you want to level up this one so it has more fires that it creates? If you want to do this one, like I imagine this would probably be a level 3 because level 1 would probably start with, let me do that again. Level 1 would probably start with 3 fires on each side here. And then if you go to level 2, it'll add a 4th one, level 3 add a 5th one, and so on and so on. So you're going to be able to pick which abilities you want to upgrade and so on. Really cool stuff. And yeah, also if you jump and do the magic attack, there's a kind of a dash. You get like a horizontal speed bonus on top of the damage bonus. Let me see if I can hit a monster here. Oh, come on. There we go. And as you can see, it does a lot more damage. These will, of course, cause they will cost mana. Okay, they will all cost mana. But yeah, everything works really solid. I'm really happy with the ledge grab. I really like how it looks. It feels really good. And yeah, I was wondering, I'm not sure, I'm still testing out different ideas, but I was thinking for the fast down magic attack like that, if I should have him fire a projectile vertically downwards. Just an idea. But it's all coming along. The demo is really, really close. I probably am going to do one more update where it's more like menus, game user interface, that kind of thing, and then fix up some bugs, and then it's going to be the first demo. So demo is super, super close to being available. The first game demo will only be available on Game Maker Studios forums. It's going to be kind of like a game development demo, kind of like a demo for developers before, just so I can get some feedback and some help finding bugs that I may have missed before I do the first official demo for gamers on sites like GameJolt and itch.io. And also I'm going to have to do some art. Like I draw a lot better. My digital painting skills and animation skills are way better than this. This is all placeholder. So yeah, once the game user interface is up and I patch a few bugs and I touch up the art a little bit, it's going to be the first playable demo. Again, it's only going to be available on the Game Maker forums. So to download it, you're going to have a, well, actually, I don't, the link to the download will be on the Game Maker forums. That's because before gamers play it, I want some game developers to play it just to help me catch some bugs that I may have missed and whatnot. But yeah, I'm really liking how this is coming out. As I don't know if the sound effects are on, but there are some sound effects. These sound effects are all placeholder, and yeah, this is just really cool. I love game development so much. I've never been so challenged on an intellectual or creative level. If you can draw and paint or animate already, learn to code. I strongly recommend it. I started off doing game art and then I learned to code. And being able to do art and code for a game is just, it's so cool. Anything you could think of, you can create, especially with Game Maker Studio 2. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Check out the links below for Facebook, for the Game Jolt page, etc. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.